Yeah, hi guys. Yes, this is Edward, and then we are going to look at the differences between the Goldstar EA and the Goldstar Extreme EA. So when you look on my chart, this is the strategy behind the EA. So when we have price bullish and then above MA, it means the EA will open buy positions till it gets here, and then when it gets here, it means when it opens the buy position, the SL would have taken this one out. But generally, when you look at gold always ride above the MAs. So this is the strategy behind the EAs, both the Goldstar EA and the Goldstar Extreme EA. When you change even the time frame, you still see gold riding above the EAs. So in this scenario, gold and H1 time frame, the EA would have bought above this MA. It would have bought till it gets here, and then buys again here and sells here and sells here. When you go to the M15 time frame as well, so this is the M15 time frame. So the EA would have opened sell positions here. It would have opened sell positions on each bearish candle. It would have opened a sell position here on each bearish candle. Overall, I would say the EA is very profitable. When you are thinking long term, it's very profitable. It's gonna be profitable. I can't make promises to you, but back testing, it will make you profits. The main differences between the Goldstar EA and the Goldstar Extreme EA is that the Goldstar Extreme EA is the premium version of the Goldstar EA. The main difference is that the Goldstar EA has just two take profit levels. Either of the TPs can be turned off, so just one works. If you have a small capital like $500 or even a little smaller, you can use just one TP with the H4 time frame on the Goldstar EA. The Extreme EA uses 6 TP levels and requires about $5,000 to run the default settings. With $10,000 on the Extreme EA, you can run on H1 or M15. Or if you want to maintain the H4 on a $10,000 account, you can also change the lot sizes and push it up to about between 0.02 to 0.05. The two EAs have long-term profits. So guys, don't think short-term. The chart won't show the MAs like you see on this chart. Normally, I prefer my chart to be very clean. So generally, to be, if you have a very clean chart like this, you have a clean chart. If you don't see anything on the chart, don't be worried. The EA is working behind the chart, and then when the conditions are right, it will open a trade. So like I said, for the Goldstar Extreme EA, you need large capital. If you have a $100,000 plus account on a prop firm, you can still use this EA. I will not suggest you use the EA for a smaller prop firm account. And then if you have large capital like $100,000, you can still use this EA with the M15 and possibly even increase the lot size as well. But if you are using the Goldstar EA, which was made for smaller accounts, in good conditions, you can even turn or push your $50 account up in very good condition. But I would suggest you use a minimum of $500 so you can take the shocks. I would suggest you use $500 as minimum for the Goldstar EA, so that your account will be able to withstand the shocks and make you profit long term. Guys, you can contact me via my email address or comment below so I get in touch with you as well. If there are any questions, if there are any suggestions, please leave them in the comment section. Remember to hit the subscribe button as well. Adios. Bye.